Take a ride in the 2023 Forester. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, leather trim seats, driver attention alert system, Wi-Fi hotspot compatible, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touchscreen display, upholstery, contrast stitching. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.